Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, December 13th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be a 50% chance of rain with a high 66 degrees and a low 48 degrees.
Wow.
Be ready for the blacktop, guys.
Today's lunch options are mozzarella dunkers and mac and cheese. Whatever that's supposed to be.
Well, probably not getting any of those. Probably just gonna eat my lunchbox. Now it's time for Would You Rather. Hey Carter, would you rather make presents for your family instead of buying them, or make ornaments for your Christmas tree instead of buying them?
I'd rather make presents for my family because it's the thought that counts, and ornaments you're only gonna have up like one time a year. Depending on what you make, it can be up for the entire year.
So you're saying there's no thought in ornaments?
Wow, Everett, don't get that deep.
That's
Okay. Everett, next one. Would you rather have Frosty the Snowman for a friend or Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer as a friend?
Let me think about that. Frosty,
Why?
because I said so. Hey Carter, would you rather have Christmas tree tinsel for hair or fingernails that light up like Christmas lights?
What is a tinsel? That's what I want to know. What is a tinsel?
Look it up in the dictionary.
Can you just, okay, he's not telling me, so I'm just going to say light up fingernails like Christmas
You
lights.
betrayed us.
What? You didn't even tell me what tinsel meant. Everett. All right, this is yours. Would you rather eat cereal with eggnog instead of milk or eat candy cane sandwich?
Well, definitely not eggnog with milk. So I'll have a candy cane sandwich. Yeah, yeah.
Sure. Today in history, in 1962, NASA launches Relay 1, the first active repeater communication satellite in orbit. And it's probably still in space. Can you see it? No, because we're in a room. Whatever.
Now you're Josiah for Weird But True.
Woo!
Your eyes move about 80 times per second.
Wow.
Well, it just moved about 126 times.
You're wrong.
I don't know how to count.
You're
okay?
just wrong. Okay.
160 times, guys.
Again, you're just wrong.
It's fine, okay?
You're just wrong.
It's fine.
Right.
Now you're so cute I can't. In the final hours of a month-long search through rugged jungles, scientists confirmed the sighting of a bird that hasn't been seen in 140 years.
A dodo bird.
140?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, dodo bird.
A picture of the ground-dwelling black-naped pheasant pigeon was captured via camera trap and felt to the team like finding a unicorn.
Unicorn? But those are extinct.
That's not true, because unicorns and a pheasant pigeon are not the same thing. Documented in 1882 and not seen since, the pheasant pigeon is now almost certainly the most endangered bird in New Guinea. Huh, interesting. And reinforces the need to conserve as much of its home as possible.
What about the dodo bird?
Sorry, Carter, it's not the dodo bird this time.
Are you kidding me? Bet you didn't know the smallest monkey was as tall as a toothbrush. Me and
My toothbrush is about this tall, so I think it's gonna be about this
Me
size.
and my monkey. What? Shut up.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, what did Snowman eat for breakfast?
I don't know.
Frosted Flakes.
Oh, wow, very funny. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump it up, bump